Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have AGM Pad P2 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. Start of opening settings application, in it choose network and internet and mobile data. We tap on it and there we have our data warming and limit, and we can set our limits. First step, we can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There by the switch we can turn on and turn off data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes or megabytes. Maybe we set our warming on 5 gigabytes, and there we can turn on our data limit by switch on and confirm by OK, and we can set it in the same style as warming. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.